Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add currencies in Odoo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to activate an existing currency or create a new currency record for your accounting needs. If you need to work with multiple currencies in your Odoo database, the process is very simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. This is especially useful if your business deals with international customers, suppliers, or transactions in different monetary units. For example, you may invoice customers in US dollars while paying suppliers in euros or another local currency. Odoo gives you the option to either activate currencies that already exist by default or create a completely new one if needed. Activating an existing currency is usually the fastest option, because Odoo already includes many widely used currencies in the system. To begin, go ahead and open the Accounting app. This is where currency-related settings are managed. So once you're inside, you'll have access to the configuration options needed for this setup. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage accounting settings. If you don't immediately see the option you're looking for, just take a moment to make sure you're in the correct module, because these settings are specifically tied to accounting. Depending on your Odoo version and installed applications, the menu layout may look slightly different, but the currency settings should still be available through the Accounting configuration area. Once you're in the Accounting app, look toward the top left toolbar and click on Configuration. This area contains a variety of accounting setup options, including taxes, fiscal settings, and, of course, currencies. Because these settings can affect financial transactions and reports, review any changes carefully before applying them. After opening Configuration, select Currencies. This will take you to the list of currencies available in your Odoo system. On this page, you can review currency names, symbols, activation status, and other relevant details. At this point, you have two ways to proceed, depending on what you need. If you want to add a completely new currency, click New. That will let you create a fresh currency record in your database. Make sure to review the details carefully when creating it, so everything matches your business requirements. You may need to enter information, such as the currency name, symbol, unit, subunit, and decimal precision. If the currency you need is already included among Odoo's default currencies, then you don't need to create a new one from scratch. Instead, simply find that currency in the list and click Active to enable it in your database. You can use the search bar or filters to locate the correct currency more quickly if the list is long. This is a quick and convenient option, since many common currencies are already available by default and just need to be activated before use. Activating the existing record also helps you avoid creating duplicate currencies with slightly different names or settings. After you either create the new currency or activate an existing one, the setup is essentially complete. Your currency will now be available in your Odoo environment for relevant accounting and transaction processes. You may then be able to use it on customer invoices, vendor bills, sales orders, purchase orders, and other supported transactions. If your business regularly processes transactions in different currencies, you should also review the exchange rate settings. Accurate and regularly updated rates help Odoo calculate conversions, gains, losses, and financial reports more reliably. And there you go. That's all it takes to add currencies in Odoo. It's a short process, but an important one if you want your system ready for multi-currency operations. Before using the new currency in live transactions, confirm that its symbol, rounding rules, and exchange rate information are correct.